think that's our unofficial lab slogan there. Whatever you are, be a good one. I always like that. If you ever pop by the lab, you'll see probably an undergraduate or graduate student camped out in front of one of these workstations processing EEG data, which is a huge part of the job. This room also doubles as kind of our hangout room if we have downtime in between subjects, that kind of thing. And from a lot of years doing this kind of research, I've learned that data processing is fun and goes faster if there are snacks and coffee involved. And so we also have our snack station here, our coffee maker, which we have available to all of the students in the lab, as well as the participants. When our lab turned 5 years old, our students threw the lab a little mini birthday party, and so we still have the 5-year birthday card hanging up there on the chalkboard to celebrate 5 years of successful research in science. And I like putting up decorations, but I'm terrible at taking down decorations, and so we decorated for Halloween at some point, which was fun. Of course, it's nowhere near Halloween now, and those pumpkins just stay there semi-permanently. But that's okay, it makes me laugh when I come in the lab. I think a lot of the things you're seeing kind of on the shelves or hanging up on the wall are things that former students have given us. So for example, that clock they're hanging up on the wall, that framed image of words of the brain, right? Those are all gifts donated from students who are rotated through, and that's always nice, right? To me, the lab is kind of this organic place, this living place that continues to grow as folks come here for a time and rotate through. And so the culture is always changing too, right? The culture is dependent on whoever's here at the time, and that's always cool to see.